hawkish rate cut may not be what the market should be clamoring for. Summary. Powell's recent comments suggest a potential rate cut in September, but this is not guaranteed and will depend on upcoming jobs and inflation data. If core PCE and CPI readings rise before the next Fed meeting, the likelihood of a rate cut may decrease, putting pressure on markets. A hawkish rate cut could happen if the labor market weakens, signaling concerns about economic growth rather than a soft landing. Given that September is historically a weak month for stocks and valuations are high, markets may be vulnerable if rate cut expectations are not met. Stocks struggled and bond yields rose following Friday's rally induced by the Fed. Chairman Powell's indication that a rate cut in September is possible did not come as a surprise to me after last month's jobs report. Many services offer investment ideas, but few provide a top-down investment strategy that helps you tactically shift your asset allocation between offense and defense. That's how the portfolio architect complements other services, focusing on bottom-up security analysis of REITs, CEFs, ETFs, dividend-paying stocks, and other securities. Analyst disclosure: I have no stock, option, or similar derivative position in any of the mentioned companies, and no plans to initiate such positions within the next 72 hours. I wrote this article myself, expressing my own opinions. I am not receiving compensation for it, other than from Seeking Alpha. I have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this article. Lawrence Fuller is the principal of Fuller Asset Management, FAM, a state-registered investment advisor. He manages the focused growth portfolio on the copy trading platform Dubat.com. The presented information is for educational purposes only, intended for a broad audience. The information does not intend to make an offer or solicitation for the sale or purchase of any specific securities, investments, or investment strategies. Investments involve risk and are not guaranteed. FAM reasonably believes that this marketing does not include false or materially misleading statements or omissions of facts regarding services, investment, or client experience. FAM reasonably believes the content will not cause an untrue or misleading implication regarding the advisor's services, investments, or client experiences. Past performance of specific investment advice should not be relied upon without knowledge of certain circumstances or market events, nature and timing of investments, and relevant constraints of the investment. FAM presents information fairly and balanced. FAM does not provide tax, legal, or accounting advice. Mr. Fuller may discuss and display charts, graphs, formulas, and stock picks, not intended to be used independently to determine which securities to buy or sell, or when to buy or sell them. Such charts and graphs offer limited information and should not be used alone to make investment decisions. Consultation with a licensed financial professional is strongly suggested. The opinions expressed herein are those of the firm and are subject to change without notice. The opinions referenced are as of the publication date and may change due to changes in market or economic conditions and may not necessarily come to pass. Seeking Alpha's disclosure: past performance does not guarantee future results. No recommendation or advice is given as to whether any investment is suitable for a particular investor. Any views or opinions expressed above may not reflect those of Seeking Alpha. Seeking Alpha is not a licensed securities dealer, broker, U.S. investment advisor, or investment bank. Our analysts are third-party authors, including professional and individual investors who may not be licensed or certified by any institute or regulatory body.